I have created this car poster using Canva and you can also do the same thing. Hi friends, my name is Rajesh. I am Canva certified community trainer, Canva creator and Canvastor. Welcome back to the car poster design series. This is episode number 8 where we are going to design this Lamborghini car poster and we are going to discuss each and every single thing in detail, like how to find high quality car images which you can see in this poster. Second, how to create frames and how to create overall layout and typefaces, color, each and every single thing we are going to discuss in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Canva and select a artboard. For that, we just have to click on the create option and search A4. And then here at this option, document portrait, that size is 8.5 into 11 inch. Just click on it. You will get a blank page, but I am going to start creating from here where I have placed final design and all the assets which we are going to use to create this poster. And the first question which you will have in your mind that bro, you already have your images in the high quality. How can I find out? So don't worry, I'm going to tell you each and every single thing here. As you can see here, we are going to create poster for Lamborghini Huracan Technica. And to find the high quality images, we have to go to the Lamborghini website. So I will search here Lamborghini. Okay. And just click on this Lamborghini once again. And then here at the website top option, here you will find menu, models, and we are using Huracan Technica. So I will just click on it and you will find lots of other car type. I will select this one. As you can see here, this PNG which we have used here, you can see this one. So I will just right click on it and I will find this option copy image. Just copy image and then go here and then paste here. By pasting, you will find this image is in high quality. Okay, so as you can see here. So we are going to use this image as our main image on this poster and then just explore this model. So other images will be here. Just scroll down. You will find lots more images. You can see this image which we are going to use. So once again, right click, copy image, go to the camera and then paste it here. So while uploading, you will see that this image is not in high quality, but after uploading this image will be of high quality which you can use to create your poster. So then if you scroll down, you will find this image also. This is the image which we are going to use it in the background. So I will copy image once again and then paste it here and wait for the few seconds. As you can see, it is uploading. If I zoom it, it will not look much more clearer. But after uploading, you will see that this is in the high quality. And I was telling this in the last time also in this image also. So just paste it here. And just by following the same steps, you can explore all the other images also. If you are not able to find Lamborghini Huracan Technica car images here, you can just do one thing. You can search, you can just copy this one and go to the Google here option and search just like this images section and then tools, size, large. Here you will find lots of car images which you can use to create your posters. So if you love any of this, suppose you love this one, just click on it. You will find that this image is totally in high quality. So just you can copy image and once again you can paste it here. See, one thing you should know that for finding high quality images, you have to explore a lot. Either you can explore on the website or you can explore on the Google also. So I have shown you all the steps which I used to follow to find out the high quality images. Now here comes at this page, you will find that other images are also there. And here I have placed this grunge textured overlay which I am going to use, and this is from the Canva library. If you click on it, you will find that this is the element which we are going to use. Okay, and along with that, we are going to use this color and this car shadow, and this is the logo of the Huracan Technica which we are going to use in the poster. And these are the text which I have find out from the Lamborghini website. As you can see here, all the details are written here, and the text copy is also written here, and the logo is here which you can copy and use it. As you can see, it is also you can also copy it from here and you can also paste it just like this, and you can change the color from duotone. If you don't know how to use duotone, I have already explained it in a detail Canva course. You can find the link of that Canva course in the I button. You can just watch that video to learn about duotone. Now let's get back to the video. So this is the whole element and graphics and photos which we are going to use to create our poster. Now if you are following the same steps which I am telling you, then you can also find out the same images which I am using to create this poster. But if you are not able to find high quality images, don't worry, I have a solution. I have attached this asset file in the description box. Just find out the assets file name in the description box and click on the link to find and to get all these assets. Okay, and now we are having at the same level so that we can start practicing designing this car poster. So to start designing, I will just add a page and I will change the color to the white color. And then after, I will take a rectangle. Why I am taking a rectangle? Because I want to specify the margin so that I can create a stunning poster. So for that, I will just decrease the size to this, just like you can see here. And after decreasing the size, I will place it to the corner like this. And I will press Shift R to get the ruler. I will just drag the ruler here and from the top also. And I will just place it like this. Then once again, if you are seeing here that this is not at the corner, I will place it properly so that there should be a proper margin from all the sides. Okay, and just I will bring it to the down, and then once again I will bring the ruler here, and I will delete this rectangle because this is of no use right now. And you can see that we are having a proper margin, and this will make our poster much more attractive. So now we will start adding the images to the artboard and we will start creating the posters. Okay, so firstly I will select this image and I will just put it like this, then right click and set image as background. Just double click on it and place it just like this. And now we will decrease the transparency to around 8. So your question will be here that why I'm decreasing transparency to 8, or you can decrease it to 6 also, or below 10, that will be totally okay. See, the basic reason is that I want to apply a texture on the page. I can decrease the transparency to make my poster much more attractive. Okay, so for that I have decreased the transparency. Now we will add this image. I will just copy it here and place it just like this. I will increase the size by holding the corner and place it in the middle. So this is the help of the ruler which I have placed it. I want to place the car in between these guides. Okay. And after that, we will start creating the frames. And for that, I am going to use Frame Maker of the Canva, which is available in the Canva free also. And if you don't know much more about the Canva Frame Maker, you just have to click on the I button. I have attached a video where you can find detailed tutorial of the Frame Maker. Now let's get back to the video. I will just click on this Frame Maker. And here, remember this point that grid column is 14. And every point which you are going to select here, point out here, you just have to note down. As you can see, I have attached a screenshot. I used to note down each and every single point so that I can create a perfect frame. Okay, so I will just put it like this. So here at the top option, I am going to left 3 points as you can see, and here at I will put besides of this, and then add to design. And then to create the second frame, I am going to follow the same slope which is here, but I will just increase it just like this. And one thing I have to remember here while creating the frame, that I am going to place it at the same distance which I am following. Like for creating this one, I have left the 3 points here. The same I will follow. I will left the 3 points. I will place it here, and then I will place it just like this. And here I will left 1 points and 1 points. So if you place this just beside this, you will find that the slope is totally perfect and it is looking parallel. Okay, and for creating the third frames, I will just put it like this, and I will just bring it to the down as you can see here. And at the above, I will left 1 point, and at the down, let it be 4 points. So sometimes it happens that while giving the proper space, you are not able to create exact frames which is parallel to the second frame which you have created. For that case, you can just apply trial and error, where you can just decrease 1 points and add to design, and you can see that whether this frame is working or not. And if this is not working, then just add more points and add to design and try to see that whether your frame is totally parallel or not. Here you might have a question that why I am focusing so much on the points. See, there is nothing to do with the points. The main thing is that I want to create a better design. I want to create perfect design. Perfect in the sense not that it is totally perfect, but I want to create a designs which look much more attractive. So I have to focus on the minute details, and that is the thing which I am teaching you, that you should also focus on minute details to create an amazing design. So here you can see that this frame is looking great. If I will edit the image in this frame, that will look much more attractive. So now what I will do, I will just select this image which we are going to use. So here if you look at this image is looking so much amazing. Why this is so? Because I have applied here photo editor tool, and from there I have adjusted here. As you can see, I have increased the brightness. Let me show you this one. As you can see, this image is looking little bit dull. Let me bring in front of it. So for editing, so for highlighting the here the colors, I will have to just go to this edit option, adjust, and then increase the brightness little bit. If you are going to increase the brightness, it will increase the light in the image. Then contrast, that will make a little bit difference. As you can see, the contrast is making much more shiner of this car. If I will decrease the highlights, you can see the highlights are decreasing, but I will increase it little bit. Then I will increase the shadows just like this to focus much more on the color, and then I will increase the saturation. As you can see, the color is totally changed. So I will just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, Canva is saving. After saving, it will show just like this, all changes saved. If I will just duplicate this one and go to the edit option, adjust and reset adjustment. Now you can see the difference. So this is the power of photo editor, which will help you to make your image much more uplifting and much more attractive. So let's get back to here. I will just duplicate this image and add this to the frame. Before adding to this frame, you have to remember one more thing, that just select all position and then go to the arrange, and just place this middle option so that it get at the proper line. Okay, as you can see here. Then just double click this frame and just make it like this. Just decrease the size, and you have to increase a little bit size so that we can make this bonnet little bit pop out from this frame, just like this. Okay, and you can just drag the rulers, which will help you to adjust the image in the other frames also, just like this. Okay, and after that I will just duplicate this once more. I will place it in the second frame, in the middle one, which is just like this. So it will take little bit time. You have to do all these things minutely. I will just do like this, and I have to, how I am adjusting these overall frames. As you can see, I am matching it to this corner. If I will match to this corners and this corner, my image will look much more better. So I will just place it like this. Now you can see, if I will place the PNG of this car, it will look much more attractive. I will just duplicate it once again and I place it in this. Then double click, and once again I have to match this point, this corner. So I will drag it here and then make it shorter from here. Now you can see that it is totally aligned. So here comes the last part, that is I will just select it, then remove the background just by using background remover of the Canva. Now before placing it on the frame, if I will place it, it will get synced into the frame. But before placing that, I will just hold all this and then I will just lock it from here. And now I will drag above to the frames and you will find that this is not syncing into the frames. So this is the plus point, and just decrease the transparency and try to match the exact position of the car and also the exact size of the car to make your poster amazing. And this process is a little bit boring because you have to adjust it properly just by decreasing the size. So don't worry for that. You have to do little hard work. Okay. So here at this place, if you are seeing here, if I will increase the transparency, it is little bit shifting. So you can see this go. If I will place it like this, make it little bit over and increase the transparency. Now it is shifting a little bit, as you can see. So you have to focus on minute options also. Make it little bit larger. So here our car is placed properly. Just go to the position option and unlock all these three. Just right click and unlock and send it to the back. Just by going to the layer. Okay, and before moving ahead, we have to lock this frame once again. Just select all and then lock here. And now we have to add the shadow here at this bottom part, otherwise it will look flying. So I will select this car shadow PNG. I will just drag it here and I will remove the background of it, as you can see, and I will try to adjust the position of this shadow below the car so that it looks perfectly. Okay, so I will just place it like this. So if you see that this PNG is not totally perfect for this shadow, and to make a perfect shadow we are going to use the reshape tool. I have already created a complete tutorial on this reshape tool. You can check the video in the description box and watch that video. And now let's get back to it, and here just select it, go to the distort option and make it little bit above like this, because our car is flying in the above. Okay, I'll make a little bit adjustment like this and just select the skew also and just save it. Let's see what is happening. Still it is not looking so much good, so I will go to the perspective. See, this is totally trial and error process. The more you will try, the more better shadow you will able to create for your car. Okay, so here distort once again and make a little bit adjustment. Yeah, and save it. Let us see how it is. And now if you look, this shadow is looking much more better than earlier, and it is totally good for this car shadow. And if you see the edges are too much sharp, but don't worry, we will apply a blur here. Go to the edit option and then select the blur whole image and increase the intensity to around 40 or 45. It's totally your choice. Let me see that whether it is working or not. So if you will see that the original shadow of the car is not properly aligned to this, so I will drag it a little bit down and let it cut from here. And now you can see little bit more difference, so I will just drag it like this. Now it is totally perfect for this car. And if you see, the back tire is not on the ground, so to bring it to the ground I have to add one more shadow. So I will just go to the elements option, I will search here shadow intro, go to the graphics option, and here I will find this one. So I will bring it like this, and once again just decrease the size like this and try to place perfectly below the tire. Just go to the position option, bring it back to the car. Okay, now it is much more better. So till now you got to learn about how to create frames and how to create a perfect shadow for the car. Now I want to show you something, as I have uploaded this tutorial on the Instagram also, as you can see here. And I got a one question from one person that 3 frames बनाने का जगह lines लगा दो bro. Means that person is saying that why you are adding frames, why you are not only placing the image and adding a line in between that. Let me show you that why I am not doing that. So just I am here, I will just duplicate it and I will just delete these frames. So to follow the person question, I will just delete it and I will just duplicate and edit, then background and reset tools, so that I can reset it. So here I'll perfectly align. Let me decrease the transparency to see that whether it is totally aligned or not. So now it is totally aligned. I'll just increase the transparency, and that person was saying that bro, just do one thing, that just cut it like this. Sorry, just select this one, cut it like this and add a line here. Let's take a line. Okay, and then just increase the stroke. Let me decrease the stroke around 25 and change the color to the white. So that person was saying to do this thing. So if I am doing this thing like this, now see the difference. See, and let's bring it above. Now if I will add the line, if I will change the color exactly to the color which I have added in the background also, let me show just by using the eye picker tool. This color. Are you getting the same thing which I have created just by using the frames? The answer will be no, because we already have added a texture in the background. And if we will add the line, that will not uplift our design. And here at you can see that If we will change little bit position of the frames, design will still look much more better than adding the lines. So as a designer, this is not a good way to find alternatives of each and every single thing. Okay, so let me delete it. Let's get back to the point of creating this design. I was having that question in the mind, that's why I have shown you this process. Okay, so let's get back to the video. Here I will start adding the text also. I will just on my rulers, just by clicking on Shift or R, and then I will just remove the extra rulers. Okay, and just I will press T for adding the text, and I will write here Lamborghini. Before writing, I will just copy it here from the website, and because I am little bit lazy person, so I am just copying it. I will just press it here and then increase it like this. And for writing the Lamborghini, I am just rotating it to the -90 degree like this. And for this text, I am going to use Web Performance font, which is from the Google. If you don't know how to download fonts from Google and upload it into the Canva, you can watch this video, learn it from there. So I will just select it here and search Web Performance Italic, and I will make all in uppercase, and just I will increase the size like this. And while increasing the size, I have to remember one thing, that I want to match the edges of this and this to the end of the ruler like this. Now it is totally in between the rulers. I will just drag it to the edge of the ruler, and I will change the color to this color, either this color also, and send it to the back just by going here. And now you can see how my design is looking much more attractive than earlier. I will just press Shift R once again, and I will add the other text details from here. I'll just copy it, and I will place it here, make it little bit more bigger like this. Now it is okay, and place it just like this. Okay, and here you can see that this is coming to above of this car, but don't worry, we will make adjustment. We will change the placing. Let's add the text properly firstly, and then we will change the placing of all the images once again more. Just I will copy all this, and I will place it like this at this point. So you will find that here lots of places are blank. So for that, I will just select all these. Just by go to the position option, I will unlock all these. Okay, and I will select the images from here, and make sure to select all the images, otherwise the position will be changed and you will struggle a lot. So I will just press the down arrow key to make it down like this, and I think it is a little bit good. And one thing more I will do, I will select all these. I will just deselect this car. Okay, and I will try to place it by increasing the size little bit. And now just like a little bit like this. Now it is okay. And you can see that we have adjusted it properly. And one thing we can do, that we can add the logo here. I'll select the logo once again, and I will place it like this. I can decrease the size also to place it. Either we can do one more thing, we can add a rectangle, and we can place it above this also to make our designs much more better. So this is the steps which I am showing. This is not the perfect thing that you can do the same thing, you can do the same placing of the text and details, but I am showing you steps that you can follow these things to create your poster better. So let me show you another thing, that if I will select all those things just by deselecting the main car images, if I will increase the size like this to the edge of the ruler, and I will place it like this, and if I will place it here just by decreasing the logo size little bit like this is also a good layout of this poster. So just select these text and make it little bit down, and you have to once again on the rulers, and for filling the gaps here we will use the frames. Okay, so just place it like this, and for finding out the frames I will go to the elements option, just frame, and just select this frames. Okay, and make it shorter like this, duplicate it. Okay, and select all these three together and increase it like this. Now you can see that this is getting merged to the background. I will just add a border just by increasing the stroke to one size. Okay. And then I will just select this copy style and press it like this. Once again, copy style and press it like this. And now I will insert the images of these all three. I will select all three and I will bring it here. Okay. And one by one, I will place these images in the frames just like this. I want to show the back end of the car. I want to show the steering wheel of this car. Okay. I will double click on it. I will zoom it like this. And now I want to show the headlight of this car, this front light. So I will just increase the size. And now you can see that our poster is completely ready. If you want to do any more changes, you can do it. It's totally your choice. Okay, if here there will be some problems, you can think that there is a problem because we don't have made this properly. So we can just do this thing. I will bring back the ruler to this edge so that we can provide a proper base to the this one. Okay, so I will do like this. Now it is all okay. And here comes the last thing that we are going to use this one, this overlay texture. I will just copy it and bring back to this. I will just increase the size like this. And I will decrease the transparency to around 15. Go to the position option and send it to the back of all images just like this. You can just also do one thing, just send this back. Let's make the transparency little bit much more downer. And now our poster is totally ready. To download this poster, I'll just go to the share option, download and increase the size to the maximum so that I can download it in the high quality. And now I will select the page, that is page number 3, done, and download. And if you want to download this page in PDF format and you want to take a printout, you just have to go to the share option, download, file type, just select the PDF print to take the printout and select the page whatever you are having done. And then here at the color profile you will find two options, RGB and CMYK. So for the digital use, always select RGB, and for the printout always select CMYK. Just I will select it and then click on the download button, and you have to wait for a second because this downloading will take little bit much more time. So you can see here that our PNG is downloaded. I will just drag it here and you can see the final design, and the look is so much hilarious and I just love it. So let's open the PDF also and look at the detailing. My god, I love this design. Let me know in the comment box how it is looking. And if you are watching this video till now, hats off to you, man. You are focusing on learning lots of things. And don't forget to check out the asset file that is available in the description box. And if you are recreating this same design, must share me on my Instagram. I will love to see your design. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you love this video. If you love this, must like, share and comment below. If you are having any questions, any doubts, I will try to resolve that. Until then, I will be back with another video. See you, keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye.